What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the print shop. So the big order is gone. We finished it. I actually got sick because it took so much out of me to finish that order. So it's the weekend after. So today's Wednesday. I turned it in on Monday, and I just had to take a little breather from everything. It's a mess everywhere, so I have to clean that up. But guess what? We already have more stuff. So we have a bunch of things that we need to do. We're not gonna do those today. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some hats. So I have three different order of hats that we need to get done. Two of them have puff, and one of them doesn't. So a bunch of hats. That's what we're gonna be doing. On the meantime, while I'm doing that, I'm also gonna be trying to clean out this machine because it's a mess. If you see, I gotta take that out. I gotta clean out the floors, and I'm probably gonna clean this out and move it out of the way as well, just so we have room to walk around and to work. So that's what's going on today. Let's see how much we get done, and let's get it. Alright, I started this job already. We ran this job last time, and I'm having the same exact problem that I did last time, which is bird nesting. So if you see, it's just a bunch of thread that's going through, and it's getting stuck underneath. I looked at the file right now, and it says that it's 1200 stitches. I think that's too much for this design. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it in the computer, and I'm gonna see if there's another design there, because I remember I lowered the stitches. And so if not, I'm just gonna fix it right now and then put it back on the machine and then embroider it again.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met before. I don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me.
Okay, so I was totally using the wrong file. I got the new one here. Let's see how it works. Alright, so that wasn't it, Chief. It's still doing it, so I took it in to the computer again. I think I fixed what it was messing up, and we're gonna try it again with this new file, and hopefully it will make it work this time. We don't need this file. First we have to delete the one that we already have here. So let's go to the end. This one, delete. And now we'll just have to go and find the new file. Okay, there it is.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more. I have met before. Don't care who you are.
Alright, so this hats came out pretty good, really good. I am really happy with the way that they came out. This is it for me today. We'll see you on the next one.